Now that's hot right there. Ooh, yeah. Just like that. Yeah. So we got what we got today. It's Super Bowl Sunday. My boys ain't playing in the Super Bowl as usual. You know, it's a whole thing with that, right? 30 years. But anyways, so I'm gonna cook me some, or grill me some bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs and some sausage. It's simple. It's just gonna be for me. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let this heat up, let this cooking grit right here get hot, and then I'm gonna start to grill. We're a little over 300, close to 325. Just get it good. Straight down. All right. So we're gonna go skin down right now. And we're dealing with chicken. You gotta watch it. So don't step away from it. You gotta flip it. Continuously flip it. Yeah. That's what we got. It's gonna be some good eating. Some good eating right there. And then sausage. I can't wait. All right, let's give it a flip. How's that look? Look pretty good? Yeah. Just get you a flip right there. Just like that. Oh, it's smelling good, smelling good. Look at that. You just love it. You know, it's awesome to smoke, right? Smoke your meat, but sometimes, man, you just gotta grill. You gotta grill, man, right over hot charcoal. All right. So I'm gonna let it go probably for another, I don't know, 5 minutes, and then I flip it again. All right, let's go ahead and give it another flip. Yeah, that's looking good. Oh yeah. Man. Oh yeah. Well, I probably will in a little bit add some more briquettes. I'm using Kingsford right now. All right. Back. Let's just do another flip. Yeah. Now it's coming along. Yeah. Looking good. Smelling good. Added more Kingsford. Just check it out. How's it looking? Pretty good, huh? And once the briquettes catch on, it's gonna get even hotter. But yeah, let's just put it right there. How's it looking? Looking good? All right, so let's just continue on. All right, let's give it another flip. Get you right there. There. Get you right there. Tell you what, they are looking great. Eat them. Oh yeah. Just love that. Hear that sound grilling right now. Does it make you want to go out and grill? I think you should do that right after you see this. Go out and grill. Let me know what you grill. I flipped them just a while ago and they coming out looking good. So they're almost done. About to pull them off, but I'm about to grill me some sausage. Gotta go sausage, man. Anytime I eat barbecue, I have to have that. Just it goes well with any other meat, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let this go for a little more, take it off, and then grill those sausage. All right, I moved them around again. I'm gonna put sausage right there, right over. All right. So let's just bring it out for a second. Take it off. Hey, look at that. It's good or what? Hey. All right, I'm gonna let this one go for just a little bit more. There we go. A little bit more right there. Well, that's gonna be grilling. Well, that was fantastic. And this Old Country Tabletop Grill right here did fantastic. Did real fantastic. I mean, man, it's still hot. Those coals are still hot. Yeah. So, like I said, Super Bowl Sunday, my Cowboys didn't make it right as usual, but I did make this, grilled it. So I'm ready to eat. So as you saw, every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, flip until they're done. And, you know, it's that easy when you're grilling, you know. But I got some right here, the skin. Oh man, I gotta taste it. Crunchy. You hear that? That is crunchy. Not dry at all. Oh man. Yes, it's delicious. Man. Getting messy over here. I won't bite into the sausage, but it is hot. But yeah, it's nothing to it. Just wanted to do something for the Sunday. You know, because everyone in America is doing the same thing I just did, right? We're smoking. But yeah. Nothing to it. Nothing to it. But I got to end this because I got to go inside. I'm hungry. You know, I don't even know if I'm going to watch the game. But we'll see. But yeah, as always, thanks for by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. You're going to watch me eat. We'll see you.